Ladies and gentlemen, 14 months after the farm laws were passed in Parliament, a bill brought to repeal them was passed today. But what remained consistent was the attempt by the opposition to cause a ruckus, start with a disruption of the session. This is not acceptable. Session after session cannot be made a casualty. Let's debate.
देश की जनता चाहती है सदन चले, आप जनता की अपेक्षा आकांक्षाओं को रखो।
You cannot question the chair.
On day one of the winter session of Parliament, the bill to repeal the farm laws was introduced.
मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि सशक्तिकरण और संरक्षण, कीमत आश्वासन और करार विधेयक 2020 और वाणिज्य संवर्धन और सरलीकरण विधेयक 2020, आवश्यक वस्तु संशोधन विधेयक 2020 का निरसन और आवश्यक वस्तु अधिनियम 1955 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए।
The farmers at the blockades celebrated. But despite the Prime Minister's call for productive discussion,
हम चाहते हैं सरकार हर विषय पर चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है, खुली चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। सरकार हर सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए तैयार है और आजादी के अमृत महोत्सव में हम ये भी चाहेंगे कि संसद में सवाल भी हो, संसद में शांति भी हो।
Some people seems to have come determined.
disruption followed both inside Parliament and outside it. The Parliamentary Affairs Minister urged the opposition to cooperate. But the opposition that fervently wanted a repeal of the farm laws for the past 14 months is now saying this.
We had mentioned earlier that the farm laws would have to be withdrawn. And we had said it because we understood that the might of 3 or 4 large crony capitalists cannot stand against the might of the Indian farmer and the Indian laborer.
And after the suspension of 12 MPs over the ruckus in the monsoon session, the TMC said this.
We are against disruption of Parliament, but government must take responsibility as to how to run Parliament. The opposition are being oppressed. Any voice of protest are being oppressed by this government.
Is there a deliberate attempt to put a speed breaker on our temple of democracy?
हवाई जहाज बचपन में बना ही नहीं।
With 29 bills like those to prevent human trafficking, providing pension and strengthening the economy left hanging, can disruption become the norm all over again? It is time to let the Parliament run. It is time to shun the disruption politics. India will not stand for it.